As we age, maintaining muscle mass becomes increasingly important. While protein rich foods like meat and eggs often steal the spotlight, fruits can also play a significant role in supporting muscle growth and repair. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 fruits that can help you build and maintain muscle mass. We'll also dive into the 8 fruits with the highest protein content, making them a powerhouse choice for your fitness goals. While fruits aren't typically associated with protein, they offer a well-known nutrients essential for muscle health. Here are the top 10 fruits to be incorporated into your diet. Bananas, rich in potassium for muscle contraction and energy, contains resistant starch, a type of fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Number 2, avocados, excellent source of healthy fats, crucial for hormone production and cell repair, packed with potassium for muscle function. Number 3, kiwi, high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that aids in collagen synthesis, essential for muscle tissue. Number 4, papaya, contains papain, an enzyme that aids in protein digestion and absorption. Number 5, pineapple, bromelain, another enzyme in pineapple, can reduce inflammation and promote muscle recovery. Number 6, pomegranates, rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Number 7, grapes, contains resveratrol, a compound linked to increase muscle mass and strength. Number 8, watermelon, hydrating and rich in citrulline and amino acids that can boost blood flow and exercise performance. Number 9, apples, high in fiber, which can slow digestion and keep you feeling full. Number 10, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, packed with antioxidant and fiber, supporting overall health and muscle recovery. Fruits with highest protein content. While fruits aren't as protein as rich as meat and eggs, some stand out with higher protein content. Here are the top 8 fruits packed with protein for men looking to enhance their muscle growth. Guava, 4.2 grams of protein in 1 cup, also high in vitamin C, making it a muscle building superstar. Avocados, 3 grams of protein per cup plus healthy fats to fuel for workout. Blackberries, 2 grams of protein per cup, a great addition to boost workout smoothies. Jackfruits, 2.8 grams of protein per cup. This tropical fruits is also rich in potassium and vitamin C. Apricots, dried, 2.2 grams of protein per cup, perfect for protein-packed snacks on the go. Raisins, 1.3 grams of protein per half cup, also great for energy during workout. Peaches, dried, 2 grams of proteins per cup, a tasty and nutrient-rich snack. Dried figs, while fresh figs are lower in protein, dried fig can provide about 3 grams of protein per 100 gram. How to incorporate these fruits into your diet? Pre-workout, grab a bananas and apples and handful of cherries for quick energy. Post-workout, blend smoothies with guava, avocados, and protein powder supplement. Snacks, dried fruits like apricots, raisins, and dried figs are convenient and protein-rich. Remember, combining these fruits with proteins like chicken, fish, or plant-based options like chickpeas, yogurt create a balanced diet to support your muscle building goals. Conclusion: whether you're looking to build muscle or simply want to increase protein intake, these fruits can be a fantastic addition to your diet. Remember, a balanced diet combining with exercise is key to achieving your health goals, especially as we age. For my Urdu and Hindi speaking viewers, I have another YouTube channel called Explore World with Iqbal. If you're interested in more health videos, this is the perfect place for you. You can find the link in the description below. Don't forget to check it out and see you in the next video. Stay active and stay healthy.